Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily add a friend on Discord mobile. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Discord, and now from here all you have to do is find that user. You can find him by tapping on the three lines on the top left corner and then tap on messages. Maybe he's here if you have ever chatted with him. If not, just go to a server in which he is in, tap on the person on the top right corner. Here you'll find all the members. Let's say I want to add him here, or in this case I have chatted with that person. You can go to chats and then tap on the chat. From here tap on the username on the top and then tap again on the username. And now to add him, just tap on add friend in the green right here. That will send a friend request to that person and it will be pending. And as soon as he accepts your friend request, you'll be friends on Discord. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you for watching.